So what's up everybody, Retro Snickers here, back at y'all with a new video. In today's video, I'll be doing a full restoration on a pair of 2005 Wheat 13s. Out of all the colorways of the 13s, that is definitely one of my favorites, so I'm very happy to restore these. So yeah, enough talking and let's get into it. Alright y'all, so to start off this restoration, the first step I'll be doing is giving these shoes a cleanup. To clean them up, you already know I'm going to be using some Rejuvenator Advanced Sneaker Solution. I'm also going to be using a suede sole and an all-purpose brush. If you're interested in any of these products, I'll have the link to them down below in the description. So yeah, let's get started.
I feel like this is long overdue. Know me and I've known you too. This liquor got me talking true. You got it, yeah. I feel like this is long overdue. You know me and I've known you too. This liquor got me talking true. Playing hard to get her, understand your pride. But I want you to be my Sunday morning and Saturday night. Yeah. I got poppin', got money, and you felt that.
So now that the shoes are clean, I'm going to be letting them dry for a couple hours. Meanwhile, I'm going to be unyellowing these soles and pods. I know they don't look too yellow on camera, but in person you can see the yellowing. I just want to make sure these pods are looking cocaine white. So to unyellow the pods and the soles, I'll be using God of Souls Reviver. To use this product, all I have to do is apply it onto the yellowed area, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse off the soles and you'll see results. So as you can see, I'm using some plastic wrap to prevent the sauce from drying out on the soles. As you can see, these pods are looking nice and coke white. A couple hours have passed now, so the suede is nice and dry. The next step now is to reset the nap on the suede using a brass brush from Rejuvenator. All I gotta do is brush the suede to one side and then brush in the opposite direction. The next step I'll be moving on to is prepping the uppers, midsoles, and soles. This step is required so that you're able to have a proper bond when gluing. The materials I'll need to get this done is acetone, cotton rounds, and a heat gun. First, heat up the area you are prepping. Second, apply acetone to a cotton round. Then lastly, wipe away the old factory glue and residue. And I'm also going to be taping off the suede just to make sure I don't cause any damage to it. So yeah, let's
Bust down, bitch. It's my face, I do whatever I want. Bitches always with me and I keep working the trunk. Shout my nigga Bunks Dada, shout out to my son. Shout my baby mama, cause you everything I want. Hating ass niggas wanna talk about the set. I put a tech to your motherfucking chest. Man, I can't help that I be acting so violent, but DMV niggas so
we can't forget about the carbon fiber plates. I'm also gonna have to prep the carbon fiber plate because it does have some old factory glue on it. To do this, I'm gonna repeat the same process I did onto the uppers, midsoles, and soles. So I'm taking a look at these shoes and I noticed that they got a lot of sock lint. I've never had to work on a pair of shoes that had as much lint as these 13s did, but you already know that is not a problem at all because Young Retro is here. So to remove all of the sock lint inside of these shoes, I'll be using a fabric shaver. This little device here does a great job at removing sock lint quickly and easily. If you guys want to know where I got this from, I purchased it from Target. It only costed around $5 or so, so I recommend you get this if you have some linty ass shoes. Alright y'all, so now we're moving on to one of my favorite steps and one of the final steps of this restoration, which is the gluing process. To glue the shoes together, I'll be using Barge Super Stick Cement. If you guys are wondering where I purchased my Barge from, I purchased it from eBay. All you gotta do is search up Barge Super Stick Cement and bam, there it is. The first part of the shoes that I'll be gluing is the air units. To glue them, I'll be applying one coat of Barge onto the air unit and another coat onto the midsoles, and then let them cure for a couple minutes and heat them up using the heat gun. Then once I've completed those steps, I can clamp them together. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes and counting.
So now I'm going to be re-gluing the carbon plate onto the midsoles. I'm just going to repeat the same gluing process I just did. The only thing that I'll be doing differently is taping off the area just to ensure a clean glue job. Gluing all those accessories back onto the midsoles, I can begin gluing the soles. Again, I'll be repeating the same gluing process. Alright guys, so we're on the very final step of this restoration. So for this part of the restoration, I'll be doing a different gluing process. So for this process, I'm going to start off by applying one light coat onto the midsoles and letting it cure for 3 hours.
I just get that check, then I go, yo. I just get that check, then I go, yo. Counting all the racks, I need more racks. Counting all the racks, I need more.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 hours.
Roger that. T-minus 3 hours and counting.
Now that 3 hours have passed, I'm going to be applying the second coat onto the midsoles and the first coat onto the uppers. I'll be letting the glue cure on them for 2 hours and then heat them up using the heat gun and clamp them together. So yeah, let's get into it.
Then I'm out. New Balenciagas, they ain't out. When they see my jeweler, head drop 30 on my mouth.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 2 hours.
Roger that. T-minus 2 hours and counting.
Can't stand the bitch, damn, always fresher than a mannequin. They know I'm stunting, might just pull up in the Lamborghini. I come from nothing, ramen noodles in them sandwiches. I'm sipping money, there you go, off this and again.
So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about this video and this restoration. I always love to hear all of y'all's feedback because it lets me know how to improve my content. And make sure y'all follow me on all my social media accounts to stay updated with everything I'm doing. My Instagram is Jose Reminisce, my Snapchat is Retro Snickers, and my Twitter is Retro Snickers. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.